It's story time! Come on, get comfy with your favorite book. Sit on my lap and let's take a look. So snuggle up close and come and read with Nana. Get all snuggly because we're going to read a book now, okay? And this one is called The Sunny Bunny's Rainy Day.
Here's a bunny.
That is a bunny. And there's rain. See it raining?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's open this book and see what the Sunny Bunny's Rainy Day is all about. Okay. The Sunny Bunny felt a little funny. He was feeling kinda sad.
What's deer? What's that?
That's a carrot. Yeah, that's a carrot.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, over here. Let's see what we got over here.
Oh.
Outside there was rain, which is a big pain when you want to go out real bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, Nana.
It's raining in there. Look at that, just like it is out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see what we have to see. He looked out the window at the gray, gloomy show, and the rain kept drip-dropping, just like outside. But then he saw out on the lawn a bird that was happily hopping.
Oh.
And look at him. He's out there having a good time.
There's a birdie.
Oh, and there's still rain out there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. The bird loved the rain when it came down the drain. The bird was having a shower.
Outside?
He's having a shower in there, yeah. Look at him. Look at the shower.
Yeah.
He's underneath that drain. A chipmunk named Wayne was drinking the rain, and the rain watered the trees and the flowers.
Oh.
Look,
It's a monk.
it is a monk.
Here.
There's a chipmunk out there.
In the
And
flowers.
some flowers, and you look, he's drinking the rain
Oh.
with his tongue out. What a silly chipmunk. The bunny did find that he changed his mind. He decided the rain was okay. Yeah,
That's okay.
it's good for thirsty chipmunks and watering tree trunks, and the birds get clean. Hooray! Yeah, look at that. The rain is good for all those things up there.
He's in the raining.
Yeah, let's see what's on the next page, okay? Yeah. Oh, look at this. But the best part of raindrops is when they stop and the sky starts to glow.
Oh.
Look at that, the rain stopping, huh?
Uh-huh.
Because if you look in the sky, if you're lucky, you'll spy a big, beautiful rainbow. Yeah, it is a rainbow and a little bunny. Yeah. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Let's see what's on the next page, okay? Sunny Bunny learned to love the drops from above and how good they can be. Look, oh, I think it's starting to rain again.
Yep.
Yeah, let's see what's on the next page, okay? Now, every time it rains, he looks out the window pane and says, "Rain makes me happy." Oh, look at him. He loves that rain now, doesn't he?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, rain is okay. The